Hey guys, so today we're going to try to find the percent deviation when it comes to experimenting in science. So, what does that mean? Percent errors or percent deviation indicate how big our errors are when we measure something in an analysis process. For instance, an experiment you may be conducting. So, smaller percent errors indicate that you're close to the accepted or true value of what your experimental measurement should have been. For instance, say you're in the lab and you measure 33 grams of a substance, but the substance should have actually been 40 grams. So you definitely made an error, and you want to figure out how much error you made in your measurement, and maybe that will help you figure out where that error came from. Um, so the equation for percent error or percent deviation, and you should write this in your notebook, is the measured value minus the true value all divided by the true value times 100. Do you see these vertical lines? The vertical lines, if your number is in a vertical line, this just means that whatever number you get, just make it into a positive number. You don't have to deal with negatives when it comes to percent error. So, for instance, you measure 33 grams of a substance in a lab, but there's actually 40 grams of that substance. And you want to find out how much error or what percent error was in your measurement. To do that, you do measured value minus true value divided by true value multiplied by 100. And whatever number you get here, just make it into a positive number. So my measured value, value I measured is 33 grams. I'm going to subtract that by the true value, the numbers that I should have gotten, which is 40. I'm going to divide all that by the true value again, which is 40, and multiply that by 100. So 33 minus 40 is negative 7. I have negative 7 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. Remember, negative 7, even though it's negative, I'm going to turn it into a positive. So I'm going to treat it like it's actually 7 divided by 40 multiplied by 100, and that should give me 17.5%. So that means from the total value, my error was actually 17.5% of the actual value. That's it.